Go to the GIS map viewer and find the contour map that you like. Here's the property. You would like to actually snip this section, and then you would like to actually snip the scale. So I'm going to go over here, say New, cut out an area, File, Save As, and I'm just going to save it as contour line name onto my computer, and it's done. Then I'm going to scroll over without changing the scale, look for the scale on the side of GIS, move up, and do the same thing without changing the scale. Just simply snip the new scale or the scale, and File, Save As, you call it Save Its Scale, and we're done. Then what you like to do is open up a new Revit and insert both items. Insert image. One was saved as site contour. We do it like this. We stick it in here. The other one we insert it, and it was an image. It was scale, open, and I stick it here. Now I want both of them to be simultaneously scaled, so I pick both of them with a tornado pick. Reminder, from the bottom, I pick both of them with a tornado pick, go to scale, zoom very close, and I would click basically from 0, move in this direction. Seems like 100 is currently at 11 feet. Click, move to the right, and type in 100. It assumes it's feet, and hit enter. When you hit enter, it has already increased the scale. Let's double check. If I would like to measure the distance from here to here, you can see it's pretty close. You can go back and forth until it's exactly 100 feet. Now once you're done, you can actually go over the property, go Architecture, Model Line, start drawing the parameter of the property, back here, and then there, and begin to draw the contour lines. Architecture, Model Lines, just begin to one dot at a time, nothing fancy. You're just basically drawing the contour lines as it goes. And let me just temporarily, I'm going to pick the image, hide the element temporarily. You can see the contour line being composed. This, by the time you are done, you're finished with the contour lines, you have the scale, you have the complete site with the contour lines.